The OKP Robot Vacuum OKP-1001 is designed to make home cleaning more efficient with its impressive suction power of up to 2,100 Pascal, capable of tackling hard floors and low-pile carpets with ease. This robotic vacuum offers multiple cleaning modes including auto, spot, edge, and random, ensuring comprehensive coverage even in tight spaces like under beds and sofas. Operating at a mere 56 decibels in quiet mode, this vacuum can clean for up to 100 minutes, making it perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment while it works. With the OKP app, users can effortlessly set cleaning schedules, switch between modes, and adjust suction power, while also enjoying hands-free control through Alexa and Google Assistant. Equipped with advanced anti-collision and anti-drop technology, this robot vacuum is adept at avoiding obstacles and preventing falls, offering worry-free cleaning. Although a remote controller is not included, the vacuum can be easily managed via the app, which supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connections.